guys, Simply Colie here, and today I just wanted to do kind of like an update on my hair, as well as going into a part 3 of making my hair pink. So today, right now, I just want to kind of do an update. I mean, it's been a couple weeks since I dyed my hair, and I'm not even sure that you can tell if it was really ever pink. There are a couple strands like in here, like underneath where the bleach got like really good in there, where you can kind of see the pink, but really right now it just looks like my hair is brassy as hell. So, I mean, I definitely need to do something because it just looks, you know, not great. So definitely I decided that I wanted to try something new. So in comes my friend. She was telling me about this conditioner that kind of like helps keep your hair color like fresh and new, and I was like, well, that sounds awesome, because like conditioner for your hair after it's been bleached, amazing. And then also helps keep your color vibrant, because literally, okay, it's been maybe like a month at most, and I only washed my hair like once or twice a week. Like, I wasn't going crazy. So this is like 6, maybe 7 washes, maybe. So I'm kind of disappointed for how long the color lasted. But in comes the new product we are going to try. It is from Overtone, and it was pretty fast delivery. I mean, it's kind of expensive, but I was like, well, I'm just gonna try it because I was gonna re-dye my hair anyway, and I have to get 2 bottles of dye, which is $20, and I have to do that every 2 weeks. This is going to save me money in the long run. So it came delivered in a box like this, which is not like anything great or fantastic, but whoops, obviously I haven't opened this before, but it says open it up, and it says hot, let's take a shower together. Oh wait, let's take a hot shower together. Duh. Because technically when you have cold hair, technically when you have like dyed hair, you shouldn't take a hot shower because it helps get rid of the color faster. And I guess that's a rule I didn't follow because I am not taking a cold shower. That is never happening in my life. Well, it comes with this chart, and it says, do you have hair? And then it says, duh. Are you maintaining your color or starting from scratch? So if you're coloring, have you done a strand test? No. It tells you how to do a strand test. If you are, yes, this would be how to use the deep treatments, which I bought as well. So I bought the conditioner and the deep treatment because, as you can see, my hair has faded. There is no color anymore, except in these like 2 strands on the inside. So I guess I'll save my poster, hang it up on my wall. Anyway, that's going to get thrown in the trash. So it says take hot shower together, and you open it up, and there's paper everywhere. Paper, paper, paper everywhere. So here's one of them. I assume that's the deep treatment, and here's the other one. This is the conditioner, and let's just get this paper out of here. And it says, welcome to the coolest color club on earth. We think you'll like it here. So I'm pretty excited to give this a try. You know, like I really do want to have, you know, cool hair. I don't want to be like this weird brassy loser. So here are the 2 things that I purchased. This is the conditioner, and then this is the deep treatment. I got the colors Extreme Pink. And I got Extreme Pink because my hair, even though it's been bleached, is still pretty dark. And based off of the colors that I saw online, I thought this would give me the best pink. And then, you know, I bought the same matching color of conditioner. And I thought, you know, why not use their color products if I'm going to use their conditioner, because then it'll match even better, and I don't have to worry about it looking kind of funky. I don't know if it would, but I don't have to worry about it because it's from the same company. So let me just open it up, and then we'll go over and we'll get into it. Whoa, that is pink. It smells, oh, it smells like very minty. Like, oh, what is that smell? That's gonna drive me crazy. It smells exactly like something. It smells exactly like menthol. Is that what it is? Could be it has alcohol in it. It smells exactly like menthol to me. Or like, I don't know if you've ever tried it. Oh shoot. I don't know if you've ever tried this before, but Uncker's cream, if you know what that is, you like rub it on yourself, and it's like menthol-y. You rub it on yourself, and it's supposed to get rid of like your like pains, if you have aches and pains. And then the conditioner, well, this one has a protective lid. This one didn't. That's a little strange. Let me open it. same smell, but it doesn't, and it's pink as well. And I think you are supposed to use it with gloves so that you do not stain your hands, but we can get into that in a minute. I do want to wash my hands, but let's see. For the deep treatment, it says to use disposable gloves, apply treatment generously to wet hair. For even brighter results, use on dry hair. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, rinse clean. Oh, you can use this on dry hair? That's interesting. I have never heard of one that you can use on dry hair. I'll be doing it on dry hair because I definitely want brighter results. And then the conditioner, it says use gloves. So you have to use gloves with the conditioner as well. I mean, you see how pink it is. You definitely will probably want to do that. And it says gently massage a generous amount evenly into wet hair, especially after shampooing. For even brighter results, apply on dry hair. Let sit 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing clean. Want more color power? Try Overtone Deep Treatment. Oh, interesting. So before you wet your hair, you could actually use this conditioner and it will even give you better results. I've never heard of that before. That sounds very interesting. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to try this out. So let's go ahead and skip over to Nicole that is ready to get her hair dyed. Hey guys, I know you just talked to fancier Nicole, but here I am, not super fancy or anything, just got my hair pulled back because I was washing my face. But today I wanted to do this Overtone Pink Extreme, and I was going to do it like I did in my last parts where I just did it like in front of the camera in hyperspeed, but I decided that, you know, with this one, because the pigment is so intense, yeah, because it's so intense, I am so terrified of it getting like all over my counters and my clothes and everywhere. So I think I'm just gonna do it in the shower. So as soon as I hop out of the shower, I will come and just show you guys what it looks like straight out of the shower. Hey guys, so here is what my hair looks like just out of the shower. It is looking pretty red in my opinion. Just some thoughts about this deep conditioner. So far my hair does not feel super soft or anything. Well, this is the deep treatment, so I was hoping that my hair would still feel soft because I thought that was the point of it. But so I guess I'll do another day where I try the conditioner and let you know how that goes. But with this one, I mean, my hair's not super soft, but it did deposit a lot of color. I don't know how pink it is. We'll see what it looks like when it's dry, because I'm sure it'll lighten up. Oops. But I'm pretty excited. It did deposit quite a bit of color. It didn't really deposit anything up here in my really dark hair, which I'm not surprised, but I was kind of hoping it might have a tint. But we'll see what happens when I dry my hair. So the next time you see me will be with dry hair. So this is my hair after I did the deep treatment, guys. I straightened it just so you could kind of see like all the color. And I definitely recommend doing it in the shower because it is a mess. And I did it on dry hair and I left it on for about 10-15 minutes. And this color is vibrant, okay? Like, I'm very impressed with how much color it deposited because I didn't think, even though I bleached it, like a lot of the pieces of my hair were still fairly dark. But this, I mean, look at this. This is like, some pieces are like cotton candy. Like, it is crazy. I'm very impressed. I will definitely be trying the conditioner and I will let you guys know how that goes. Hey guys, here I am finally to give my final thoughts on this Overtone daily conditioner and the deep treatment. And I like it. I mean, I think it's okay. The deep treatment, like I said, did not like seriously, like, I feel like nourish my hair. It actually felt like I had dyed it more than some other hair color products I have used. Like, if you've ever used, I think it's called like Punky or like something like that. I can't remember. But if you've ever used that, that goes in your hair really, really nice. And it conditions the crap out of your hair. Like, your hair does not feel like you dyed it. This one, it still felt heavy. Even after I rinsed everything out, it still felt like a lot of like stuff in my hair, which I was not a fan of. And then the conditioner is okay. Like, I think the smell, it smells really nice. When you're taking a shower, it smells wonderful. And I do think that the color did last longer than the L'Oreal one, because this is about a week after not even using the conditioner. I just wanted to see how it worked. And I think that the color does last a bit longer, so I'm definitely going to put some more conditioner in with the color next time. But yeah, overall, I think I'm happy with it. I think it does help keep your color longer, fresher, and it doesn't completely like damage my hair. I do know that sometimes for some reason, like I feel like there's a lot of product buildup when I use this, and I don't use like a lot of product in my hair right now, so like this has to be where it's coming from because I don't really use it anywhere else. And that kind of bothers me, but like, you know, if I do like a regular shower in between uses of this, if I don't use this every single time, then my hair does feel better. But yeah, I guess overall I would give it a thumbs up. I think it's great for keeping your bright hair awesome and not like so crunchy. I would recommend it. I mean, if you have the cash, because it is kind of expensive, if you have it, I would try it because I think it's pretty awesome. So that would be my review. Thank God it's over. This took forever. This is like a 4-week in the review process. This has been crazy. But I hope you guys like it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. If you guys wouldn't mind subscribing, that would be amazing. And if you guys have any thoughts or anything you want to put in the comments, please do. And I hope I see you guys next time. Bye!